Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of May 15th through the 21st in my social media planner, and I'm going to be using a kit by MahaNoorStudio. And if you haven't seen my recent haul and a couple of my plan with me's on MahaNoorStudio's kits, you definitely should because it's amazing. So this is the kit we're going to be using today. It is called Vintage Love, and this was not one of the items that I received in my PR package. I actually purchased this separately, and I'm obsessed. It is so cute. So it comes with 2 sheets of boxes, well, 3 technically, but this one has functional items as well. You get 2 decorative sheets, and this is like a typewriter theme, which I love, and then you get a set of quotes, so that is really awesome. And I picked some washi out that I thought would go well, so I've got this like tealish blue that literally almost matches these colors, and then I have this washi that's like florally, and it kind of fits well with the florals that she drew already in this sticker set. So I thought we'd try it out and see if it would work. So we're gonna go ahead and hop into this week here. And if you saw last week's video, this was the retro room kit that I did. Oh, there's a sticky note. I completely forgot about that. Okay. But last week's video was using Retro Room by Right Place Plans. If you missed that, check it out. So usually in my spreads I start out with washi, but I think we're going to save that for last this time because I want to do all the functional things first. So I'm going to set all of the quotes and deco to the side, and we're going to turn it to the boxes. And if you've seen any of my Plan With Me's before, you know my normal routine. I usually start with my boxes for my Instagram pods and all that fun stuff. So we're going to go ahead and continue that in here as well. So once again, this is my Instagram pods box. I like to have that. And then we're going to do something a little bit fun and different, and I think we are going to go ahead and make our filming and editing list for the week using these checklists here. Okay. And I think to continue that color, we're going to use this box. And I kind of want this to go the other way. Kind of want it this way. Yeah, there we go. Oh, beautiful. Let's have, I think I want this box here. And I'm going to white this out. And see, white out the line here. There we go. Oh, pretty. Okay, this is looking nice. I want to move over to this side and do a little bit of boxes here. And that sticky note, I have lots of different things here that I want to keep track of. Okay, so I need to do the dates on here before I go any further. So these are actually from MahaNoorStudio, and you guys know I like to use the same scripts and like items from her shop, like from the same shop throughout my spread. So that is what we're doing here. I'm just going to white out these days because I want this instead. And part of me feels like I should do some color. So now that I have the dates on, what I was going to say was my sticky note that I have all of the different things that are happening this week. So on the 15th is the end of the Mother's Day sale with MahaNoorStudio, and then the 16th is the new releases. So we're going to go ahead and mark that here. So I'm going to use the smaller box for the end of the Mother's Day sale here. Actually, I think I'm going to put it up here in this corner. Oopsie. If I can make sure it's not crooked, that's the question here, isn't it? Okay, and then we're going to do a bigger box for the sale. And this is also $2 Tuesdays with redhead stickers. So I'm going to do a smaller box here. And it's also with Right Place Plans too. I always forget Right Place Plans is also $2 Tuesdays. Okay. And then that'll give me plenty of space for my tracking there. Alright, and then I believe that's it for functionality purposes of like what needs to go on the spread. So now we're just going to throw some fun little boxes here and there to make it cuter and more fun. I think I'm going to do, oh, I probably should use some of these, right? That would be helpful. Let's use this little guy and I think in the blue. Yeah. Alright, I think that's good for boxes on this side, and now we're going to come over here, and I actually kind of want to do another list over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. You know what? We're going to put these in place of this. Okay. I think that that's going to be everything we're going to use with this. And I'm thinking now we're going to do our deco and washi now. Alright everyone, that is it for this week in my social media planner using the Vintage Love Kit by MahaNoorStudio. I love this. The pops of pink and blue are beautiful in here, and I do like that I added a little bit of gray here and there throughout the spread to tie everything in together, and I absolutely love it. I love her designs. She is an amazing artist, and I just cannot tell you guys how much I'm obsessed with this. If you guys are interested in checking out her different kits and items on her shop, I will leave all the information down in the description box below so you can check out her shop, and you can also use my code Megan15. It will save you 15% off of your order on her Etsy, and that is including all the kits except for her box kit sets. And this is an example of her box kit sets. It comes with a set of 4 stickers, and this is what it comes with. Literally almost everything that you would get normally in a kit, just with this extra sheet here. So this is the only kind of kit that's not included in the 15% off, because they are already on a very good reduced price that you can get those box sets for your own. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I share all kinds of crafting content, from art prop journal books to polymer clay to planners. If you're interested in seeing any of the different crafting content that I share, I will leave everything in the description box in different playlists related to those categories and different categories of planning, so you can browse that if you're interested in checking out everything that I share. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I post a new video. At the current time, my schedule usually is from Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Very, very occasionally I will throw in a Friday video, unless it's the end of the month, and then you get a video every single day. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.